Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is a chocolate break.
Chocolate break.
It is today.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
You know, there's chocolate, and then there's chocolate. We've had some pretty crappy chocolate in our day. Hopefully, this isn't another day of crappy chocolate. Bring forth your chocolate.
Mom?
See. Oh. How do you pronounce that? Helion?
Gailion. I don't know.
I know.
It's Belgian chocolate.
That was-
Luxurious, rich, and creamy Belgian chocolate.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus! Sweet baby Jesus!
With signature hazelnut
Ooh.
filling.
Frou. King on the
Is it
frou.
actually from? Oh yeah, made in
That's
Belgium.
Belgium. It's Helion.
Where'd we get this from?
World Market.
Really?
Yeah. It was in the World Market bag.
Oh.
Knife it. Get it in the R blockers, you! Get it! Belgium. I hear Belgium is a really neat place.
Well, where'd you hear that from?
From friends. Ooh, look at
Shells.
that. Shells.
3 different shells. Seashell, seashore. Seashell, down there, seashore.
I would like the cockle, please.
Take it. The snail.
Oh, it's a snail. Even better.
I'll take this one because it goes step.
Cheers.
The rich hazelnut. The truffles are marbled with 100% pure, silky smooth, milk dark, and white Belgian chocolate. Each truffle is filled with our signature hazelnut filling. They slow roast and caramelize fresh Mediterranean hazelnuts in small batches in copper kettles, and then finally crush and blend them with luxuriously rich and creamy Belgian milk chocolate.
Beautiful. You know what it tastes like?
What?
A Belgian chocolate hazelnut Reese's peanut butter cup. But instead of peanut butter, it's a hazelnut paste. Because it's really
kind of good. Though.
It's dry. It's good, but it's dry. Kind of like you know, like Reese's peanut butter cups. Reese's, never Reese's. Reese's Feces. But let's crack this one in half so we can show them what it looks like correctly. Because I saw one scored with my teeth's. You have a little schmutz on your blade, my lady. And you drop the schmutz upon the floor. It's on my foot.
It is not.
Oh, I'm eating.
I like that it's drier. I like that
Boy,
it's not like yucky, goopy. Go ahead.
Well,
4. I enjoyed that one.
2.
2?
Looks good, but I already feel my throat getting ready to burn. It's just too goddamn sweet.
2? Don't poke my eye.
I wasn't. I was gonna touch
You
your
were
cheek.
very close to
Oh, I like
poking my eye. eye.
Yeah. I'm not gonna put my finger in your eye. Not again.
Not after last time.
That was bad last time.
I didn't have an eye. I only had one eye. I had to get a new one.
But I got mad because you got mad at me. So I had to give you the walnut whip.
Oh my god, that's what that's called. Where did that come from?
World Market. It's from Nestle. I want to say this is British. I could be wrong. Let's check out our little walnut whip. Oh, wow.
It's like a beehive.
I'm afraid.
Putting your hands all over it. Give me the package. God. Oh, look, there's a big walnut.
Whoa. Check that out. And then there's a walnut. What's up with that? Walnut whip. Walnut.
You can't even really,
Whip.
tell.
No, because they put the distribution
Stupid
sticker over it. A couple episodes ago, I said negative things about our governor. I did that because, well, he did something ridiculous. I'd now like to say something about distributors that use labels that are very hard to take off packaging. I don't like that. Moving on.
Oh.
What have you done?
Oh.
What have you done? What are you doing? What have you? Are
It's
you
got marshmallow in it.
marshmallow? What's happening? I can't see. What's happening?
Just take your walnut whip with your walnut.
Where's my walnut?
It's right here on top.
How do you know that that's where I want it?
Well, you're just gonna have to deal with
I
it.
have to sample the walnut first.
Oh, come on, it's falling apart.
Cheers.
I feel strange for saying this, but I kind of like that.
Maybe some.
Caramel.
Eustachian tube.
What?
My thought. Too sweet, ridiculous presentation, 0. Unnecessary food item.
I really liked it.
What are you giving it?
4.
All right. Look in there. You can see them. See them wiggling? I think one of them's having a seizure right now.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, dust yourself off. Pick yourself off the floor.